Every time you connect to VPN, your real IP address is replaced with another one generated from the remote VPN server you select. Everyone connected to the same server receives the same IP. This way, no internet activity can be traced back to the actual user. The shared IP addresses are great for security and privacy. Dedicated IP means you will have your own IP address. No worries, your dedicated IP is different than your real IP, so all your data is still encrypted and secure, and your location is hidden. So why would you need a dedicated IP address? Access to websites. Sometimes shared IP addresses may get blacklisted. With a dedicated IP, you will be able to access websites that have IP limits. Authentication. Authentication is another recurring problem when using shared IP addresses. Dedicated IP allows you to forget about captchas. Online payments. Using a VPN with some online payment providers may be complicated because of the shared IP. If you don't want to get locked out of your account on a regular basis, a dedicated IP is a good choice. For more information on online security, don't forget to subscribe to the NordVPN YouTube channel.